This is a walkthrough and tutorial of the content calendar template in Coda that's updated for 2021. After you've copied the doc, you can head straight to the content repository. This contains your full list of all the content you're working on, from white papers to webinars to videos and blog posts. And if you scroll along right here, you'll see a lot of different columns that you can fill out for all your different blog posts and your different content types. These stages are all different depending on how your content's being produced. The types are all different types of content that you can produce for your company or your agency, campaigns, so on and so forth. If you click on the View button, you'll bring up this nice view to see all the fields for your content show up right here in this view. And also, if you click on the draft outline for one of these content pieces, you can actually go straight to the draft in this doc where you can actually write out the blog post or put together the webinar right inside the same doc. You don't have to jump to another Google Doc or another Word doc to do your content drafting. So let's go back to the content repository. This table of content can be viewed multiple different ways. If you click on one of these different views, you can view the same calendar by stage. This just shows the entire pipeline of your content being produced from idea all the way down to the content being live. And as you're moving content from one stage to the next, you can just drag and drop the content from one stage to the next. By type just shows the content by the type of content you're producing. By campaign just shows this by campaign, so group along the left-hand side. And live content just shows you all the content that's been published live. 2021 calendars, this shows you a traditional calendar view of all your content, and this is color-coded by the stage of the content. And you can see more about this later. And then this nice Kanban view shows every single month in 2021, showing which month that piece of content is going to go out. And you can always click on the content to see, click on the card to see more data about that specific content type. Your campaigns, this is the broader campaigns that each of the content falls within. And you can see over here, these are all different pieces of content related with the Hershey's campaign, for instance. And you can also change the status of the campaign, the quarter it's launching, so on and so forth. And the drafts folder, this again contains all of your content drafts by campaign, so you can quickly see the actual draft that your team is working on inside the same doc. And the customized column just allows you to customize things like your team members, the different content types. Your company may have additional content types that you want to add here. The stages in your pipeline might be different from the defaults I have here, and also the distribution channels for how you get your content out to the world. And that is the content calendar template for 2021.